Hey everyone, welcome back to another fire alarm video. Today I'll be showing you how to view the sensitivity and information on a Silent Night SD adjustable smoke detector. Specifically the SD505 APS. So I'm going to go into menu, go to point settings, go to point status, and choose internal SLC loop, and this is point 2. So, it tells you some information, but we can view more. I'll be on this page. We'll light off using an inset, so just give me a second to put my phone down, light this little guy. Alright, cool. Oop. Hang on. Alright. We have this guy, we have this, see the smoke. Put it under it, and we're gonna view if it changes. It takes a little bit just because it's addressable, but it pulls every 10 or so seconds. And you'll start to see some of the numbers change, hopefully. Especially the one that has the number, so. 178%. So for some reason, the pull stations have selective silence and stuff. These guys don't. So like if I set this off, then silence it. So I had to work away that with the programming. I'm not the best at it, but one person who I think I know is pretty good is NJMoo. He's really good at programming this panel. But you know, I want to show you guys some really cool mapping features. For example, like HVAC shutdown, if then type of things. How like if this gets off, only that pull station, only that notification appliance goes off, or that one, things like that. So I'm just gonna clear the smoke out of this chamber. Alright, let's reset. Oh, get that guy open. Alright, that goes off. Let's reset. Let's hope this doesn't go off again. Yeah, I have those same troubles. I can't do anything about it. We seem good, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions about this system or want to see any more videos on it, please comment below. Have a great day and happy holidays.